Hello, good morning. Can you hear me? Can you hear me?
Yes, Doctor. Good morning.
Morning, okay. We continue our CRA to chapter 4, right? We have finished chapter 1 to 3, now chapter 4 and 5 to prepare for the test 2, okay? Forty-two, the 10. Belum, saya start ya. Okay, chapter 4. Chapter 4 is about, you have the notes?
No, Doctor. No, Doctor.
Oh, tak bagi lagi eh? Give you the PDF eh? Wait, 6, 8 and 10. Okay, I give all. Okay, let's start. Okay, chapter 4. Chapter 4 is about isothermal reactor design. Okay, for me, chapter 4 is like a conclusion of the chapter 1, 2, and 3. Okay, with additional information about the if in chapter 1 to 3 you have constant pressure, but from chapter 4 you can have when the pressure is changed, okay, what we call it pressure drop. When the pressure is dropped, what happened? So we have to take note about the P and P naught, okay, in the stoichiometry. Okay, after you finish chapter 4, you can describe this is the objective of chapter 4. You can describe the algorithm, the sequence that allows the reader to solve chemical reaction engineering problems through logic rather than memorization. Okay, you do not no need to memorize, but you can you can solve what you want to solve. Okay. And then you can size the rectors, all the rectors. Here we have additional rector, okay? Uh, which is semi-batch rector, okay? So we have batch rector, semi-batch, semi-batch, CSTR, PFR, and PBR for isothermal operation given the rate law and feed condition. Okay, you can size the rector or you can calculate for the volume. Semua orang dengar kan? Okay.
Dengar,
Dengar,
Doktor.
Doktor.
Okay. And then the last one, what I said before, yeah, you have to account for the effects of pressure drop. Okay. For example, the first, P naught or the initial pressure is 10. When you carried out the reaction, the pressure will drop. Okay, less than 10. So what happened to the X in packet bed reactor? This is for the catalytic reaction. Okay, usually the pressure drop occurs in catalytic reaction. Okay, packet bed PBR. Then okay, this is the flow chart. What you will have in this chapter. Okay, algorithm for isothermal reactor design or sequence for the isothermal reactor design. Okay. As usual, as you know from chapter 1 to 3, the first one you have the mole balance for all the reactors. Okay. And then or design equation, you want to calculate for the V or the time. Okay. And then you in the mole balance equation you have to solve for the, or you have to calculate for the red law, right? So you have to know about the red law, whether the reversible ration or irreversible ration, whether the first order, second order, or zero order ration, or elementary ration. Okay, and then you can write the red law. In the red law, you have to solve about the stoichiometry, about the CA, CB, CC, CD. Okay, and then whether the gas ration or the liquid ration, here you will determine. Okay, and then you will combine the stoichiometry you put in the red law, and then you can calculate or you evaluate what you want. Okay, this is the details one algorithm, isothermal reactor design algorithm. Start here. This is the GMBE, general mole balance equation. Yeah, I think you still have apa, you still remember about the Fa naught minus Fa, the system accumulation whatever plus generation plus VRA dV equal dNA over dt, the GMBE. Then from the GMBE, you can choose which one you want, whether the reactor, the batch system, the CSTR, the PFR, okay, or the PBR, okay. The batch reactor is like this. This is in chapter 2. You have the X, and then this is for the CSTR. This is for the PFR. Okay, this is when you rearrange, you can get this V, okay, from here, and then integrate the, you need the T from the here. Okay, you integrate, and then after you got the general mole balance equation, you get the mole balance equation okay, for each reactor. Then you have in this mobile equation, you have the RA. So you have to solve for the RA. Is it RA the given or not? If given, you can directly evaluate what you want. Uh, Either numerically or analytically to determine the V or the T. Okay, and then N. But if you do not know about this one, you have to solve the first one. You have to solve the RA. So how to solve the RA? RA depends on the ration. Whether the ration is irreversible, reversible, first order, second order, zero order, elementary. This is for example. This is for the reversible ration. Okay. Then in red law, you have the CA, CB, CC, CD. So you have to solve for the stoichiometry to express Y, to express C in terms of X, like this. Okay, like you know, we have a liquid phase and also gas phase. Liquid phase usually constant volume, so no need to put the and this one. If gas phase, we have to consider about the 1 plus epsilon x, P and T. Okay, this is for the if this is the general one. If the isothermal and isobaric, so no need to consider this one. So become like this, okay? Constant T and P become like this. Then in liquid phase, no need to consider about this one. So just the upper one, okay? Like you put in your stoichiometric table, okay? And then this is theta, this is epsilon, and then after all, you can combine. Number 6, you combine number 4 and number 5 to obtain the RA in term of X. And then you can, this one already known in term of X. This one, and now you know the negative RA in term of X, and then you evaluate whether you want to calculate for the V or the T. Then N. Okay. That's why I said chapter 4 is like a summary of the chapter 1 to 3, because this is the algorithm what you have done in your chapter 1 to 3. Chapter 3 lah. Okay, this is the evaluation step, which is you can carry it out whether using graph in chapter 2, ribbon spill plot. You can you remember? I think you still remember. And then numerical, Simpson tak Simpson, equation, analytical, integral table, or polymath. Polymath, I don't know whether you will study about the polymath or not. Okay, Dr. Hajar will give you assignment, I think, and Dr. Tahir. Okay, later. Okay, this is the evaluation step to calculate for the V or the T or the X or whatever they want you to calculate. Okay, this is the analog French menu analogy. It's same that one they just want you to understand. Okay, number one is what? Aduh, tak nampak. I think number one is Mobilian equation ke atas ni. Okay, number one. So that's why we have VFR, CSTR, bash, and then red law. This is from textbook. If you have textbook, you can see this is the straight line, this is dotted line. Okay, for example, for the straight line from the PFR, you have the Mobilian equation for the PFR, and then you have the red law, this is first order, and then stoichiometry for the liquid and ideal gas become like this, the simple one. Okay, if the dotted line, this is the bash example for the bash reactor. Red law become the this is the reversible reaction. For the CICR, this one, this is the complicated reaction lah, but given the red law. Okay, then if the bash one, you just consider about the N, number of moles, and if flow, you consider about the F. Okay, this is for the liquid, this is for the ideal gas. The ideal gas, variable volume, constant volume. Okay, if constant volume become like this, variable volume become like this. Okay, this is variable flow rate. Okay, become like this. And then if liquid, oh no, this is just for the stoichiometry for the liquid. No need to calculate for the epsilon. This is for the gas. You have to calculate for the epsilon. Same like this. This is for the gas. This is for the liquid. And then combine. The combine, they give example for the first order gas phase reaction in a PFR. So this one, okay? This one PFR. So negative RA equal this one. Then RA become PFR. They take this one. Negative RA sama equal KCA. Okay. Then CA is what? Because of the, you see, first order gas phase reaction. So because of the gas phase, they take this one. Okay, for the CA. So the CA become like this. Okay, and then they simplify the P over P naught. Usually P over P naught, we call it also as a Y. Okay, small Y. Then this is Y. Then integrate for the case of constant temperature and pressure. Okay, they integrate, they got this one, and then you can calculate all the, if you know all this one, you can calculate for the V. That is example algorithm for isotomer-Retters. This is analog for the French menu. Okay, I think very simple. You can you can easily understand. This is an example. Okay, elementary gas phase reaction. Okay, elementary gas phase reaction to A plus B to C take place in a CSTR at constant temperature and pressure. Given the feed is equimolar in A and B. So what you know from what the information that you can take it before you calculate what they want. I think they want to calculate. They want you to calculate the V, right? This is the mole balance because the CSCR V is the Fa naught X over negative Ra. This is elementary reaction, so the law become like this. Negative Ra equal KCA power of 2 Cb. Okay, stoichiometric, you have to consider about the gas phase reaction. But the constant pressure and constant temperature. So no need to consider about this one. That's why when you calculate, you can get this one. How they can get this one? Like this, okay? So this is the general for the gas phase reaction because you can ignore the T and P, so become like this, okay? Ca equals Ca naught 1 minus x over 1 plus epsilon x. Because the condition given is equimolar, so you take A as a limiting reactant. Okay? A as limiting reactant, so should do like this. Then you can get the epsilon equal y naught delta. Delta is half minus half minus 1. Okay, you can get like this. Y naught is 0.5 because equimolar. Then you can get this like this. Ca equals Ca naught 1 minus x over 1 minus 0.5x. Similarly, for the Cb, this is the equation for the Cb. No need to put, no need to calculate from this one. Just directly, like I said, there is a table in page 114, I think, or 112. I forgot in the textbook. You just take the right hand side, okay, for the Ca naught or Ca naught what. This is a Ca naught like this, but you have to calculate for the theta b. Okay, and then you can get this one. Okay, this is so for this example, you can get the Cb equal Ca naught. Okay, then they ask you, why do you suppose Cb is a constant when B is being consumed? You see, the 2A plus B equals C. B is being constant, being consumed. When you run the reaction, B being consumed. But why the B become the Ca naught? Any answer from you? This is how to calculate the Ca naught. Okay. If they give you the P, the T, pressure, temperature, and then the Y naught, this is equimolar, you can get equimolar. So meaning you can calculate the Ca naught like this. Just be careful about the R. R is for you use the same unit, okay? You have 4 types of R. with different unit, so just choose which one, okay? And then Ca0 equal 0.2 mole dm cube. Do you have answer why Cb being consumed, but lastly Cb equal Ca0?
Maybe sebab si this limited reactant.
Huh? Become because pardon,
Sebab A dia limiting reactant, doktor.
it is a limiting reactant. Yes, oh itu pun betul. But I think this reaction maybe Cb they use as a as a solvent. So they when they reflux, and then the reflux tu kan reflux dia akan masuk balik. Tahu tak reflux? Reflux. Pernah belajar tak? In lab, analytical lab tak ada. When you reflux dia naik atas, evaporate, and then dia pergi sentuh dekat cold water, tap water, dekat dalam kaca tu nanti dia jatuh balik. Ada kan? Saya rasa tu pun itu dia punya proses. Yalah, betul sebab limiting reactant dia. Rasa dia Cb maybe as a solvent and then also as a reactant. So that's why. Okay, that's the example, okay? How to calculate for the simple one. Then they combine, they can get the, you see, when you combine, you can get the negative RA in terms of X. Don't solve in the RA, don't give the value, okay? Last, you have to put in the equation first. Then last, this is for example, X equals 0.9 or 90% conversion, okay? Then they can calculate for the CSCR, the V is 1701 dm cube if the X is equal 0.9, okay? This is the same example using the same question, but this time they use the PFR and a batch reactor. Okay, this is for the PFR. What happened to the volume of the PFR if you calculate using the same question? This is the Bohm balance of the PFR. Red law is same, and then gas phase isothermal, no pressure drop. You can get because gas phase reaction, you can get like this, and then this is same, and then this is the P for the PFR. Okay, you no need to worry about this one because you will you will get the list of the integration in your test, so no need to worry about this one, and then you can also calculate from your calculator, okay? Then from this one you can get this one. Then when you calculate for the V for the PFR, you get this one. Can you remember the V for the CSTR is 1701, right? Okay, this is the V when they use the CICR. When they repeat the same question using the PFR, the V become reduced, just 227. Maybe if you got this kind of question, they will ask you which one is better, okay? So to minimize the material or cost, you will choose the V equal and the PFR rather than the CSCR if you want to achieve the same conversion, Okay, you can see the difference. Okay, then this is the batch reactor. For the batch reactor, they calculate for the T. Okay, the same question. This is the T. This is what? This one. This is to calculate or to relate the pressure and the number of moles. Okay, this is just perkadaran. P over P naught equal NT over NT naught. Okay, just P and NT naught or the CT total. This one T C total. C total over CT total naught. Okay, this is perkadaran, just perkadaran. Okay, because in the question they give you the pressure, right? The pressure is 16.4, and also the not the temperature, the number of molar. Okay, this is the Lebesgue speed plot to calculate using Simpson. What the T, then you can calculate this one. This is the T. The T is 41 minutes. This is the P. Like I said, this is the pressure. Okay, this is number of mole. I think P. This is P naught. This is NT. This is NT naught. Okay, you can get this one. Just remember, you can relate the P and the NT. Okay, P and N. So you can calculate the pressure. You see the pressure drop. You see this is P. This is P naught. P initial is 16, and then when the reaction finish complete, the P drop to 9.02. So this is the last pressure or the last pressure lah. So if the question asks you about the pressure drop, so you have to calculate for this one minus this one, the delta P. Okay, that is the pressure drop. Okay. Okay, this is another example. Algorithm for step in solving closed-ended problems. This is quite complicated. Okay, the elementary liquid phase. You are lucky if you get liquid phase. Okay, irreversible reaction A plus B to C is to be carried out in a flow reactor. Two reactors are available. One is PFR. The volume is 800. That can only be operated at 300K, and another one is CSTR, volume is 200, that can be operated at 350K. Okay, the two feed streams to the reactor mix to form a single feed stream that is equimolar in A and B with a total volume flow rate, volumetric flow rate V naught, small v naught is 10. Okay, so which of the two reactors will give us the highest conversion? Okay, this is the additional information. At 300K, the K is 0. The constant, reaction constant 0.07. The activation energy, this one, and then the CA0, CA0 and CB0 is 2, and this is volumetric flow rate for both. So if you get like this, first what you have to do, you have to sketch for the reactor. Okay, so the reactor is like this. You see, so you have, this is for the CSCR. They give you all the information. This is for the PFR. So we have two choices. A PFR operated at 300K and a CSCR operated at 350K. Okay, which one you will choose to get the highest conversion? Okay, so you have to calculate this one, all given. So this is closed, open-ended. You see, closed-ended problem. So what the meaning of that one? You know, you no need to calculate until the end, but you have to use the in the journey to get the answer. You will use that one. Okay, you see like this. Relevant theories and equation, Arrhenius equation. Okay, this is because the K is given just one kan, 1K, just 1K at 300. So you have to calculate another K at 350, right? So they use the equation like this. Okay, and then elementary reaction ya. So reaction kan. Elementary reaction, so CaCb. Okay. Molecular equation, this is for the CaCr, this is for the PFR. So these are the assumption, system, volume, CSF, PFR, dependent variable, this one, known, unknown, input, output, color, not an issue, assumption, isothermal, no pressure drop. Why? Because just one apa? T kan? So P no P. So you can just assume no pressure drop. Okay, isothermal because just one T. Then CSCR is well mixed. There is no radial variation in the PFR, no side stream from the PFR. Okay. Then there is neither too much redundant information and no is too little. Tak ada apa dah. Tak ada apa. Okay, similar berkat with the textbook. Okay, this is the algorithm how to solve. This is for the CSCR. This is for the PFR. Molecular equation, same rate law, and then this is stoichiometry formula. Okay, become like this. Okay, if you combine the CSCR become like this, the PFR become like this. Okay. So evaluate. This is the volumetric flow rate before the mixing, right? This is volumetric flow rate. Before mixing, this is all given. Okay. After mixing, the V naught equal the V naught equal V naught plus V naught. Okay, you can get the 10. And then this is for the CA. And then at 350, you can calculate this one. Okay, this is using the Arrhenius equation because you know the K at the 300, right? So you can calculate the K at 350. Okay. And then you get the K at 350. Another K is 8.447. Then you can combine. This is for the CSCR equation 1. Okay. You can get like this. Why you can get like this? Can you understand how they got it? This is from this one. Okay. So you can this is pergi atas. Okay, 1 minus x pergi atas, you can get the F naught x over K C naught power of 2 ni V. Betul tak? Okay, V kat sini. This is pergi atas. Dia apa? Rearrange, okay? Then you can get this one. This one, you know all the values. So you can calculate this one become like this in group, not one by one. In group, you can calculate this one like this, and then you can calculate the x equal because this one the x, so the x you can calculate, you use this equation, so you can calculate the x equal the x this one negative b minus b the mathematics one. Okay, you calculate the x, or using the calculator you can calculate the x, and you choose the less than one value. Okay, so they got the x for the CSCR is 0.926. Okay, then they do the same for the PFR. Okay, PFR from this one, you see BPFR equal this one, so you grouping the x left hand side or right hand side, and then you can get this one, you can calculate this one. Okay, so like this is the x, only the x, this you can calculate this one, then they get the for the PFR is the x is 0.84, so choose the CSR because it gives the highest conversion. Okay, can you understand? Can you see? This is one type of solving problems. They do not do directly, but indirectly. They use the group like this. But you have to understand, fully understand the question. That's why they said this is the close-ended problem. Okay, you will not go directly, but you use like that. Okay, the method is like that, how to calculate the conversion. And then x is dimensionless, no unit for the x. Is it reasonable? Reasonable because x is less than 1 for both. This is for the CSCR. This is for the PFR. Okay. 0.8 for the PFR, 0.9 for the 84, 926 for the CSCR. Okay. This is another example, elementary liquid phase reaction to A to B is carried out isothermally in a CSCR. Carried out isothermally in a CSCR. POA enters at a volumetric flow rate 25 and at a concentration of 0.2. What CSCR volume? This is a simple one. CSCR volume is necessary to achieve 0.9 x when K is given. Okay, this is a simple one. Just this is the second order because elementary power of 2 itulah like second order. Then isothermal isothermal. So liquid phase. So just consider about this one. Ca equal Ca naught. Combine, then the simple one can get like this. Okay. Then when they ask you to calculate for the space time for the tau v over v naught. Okay. So you can get the tau. Please remember this one. Okay, this is another problem, home problem. Problem is straightforward because the simple one. CSCR A to B, and then given B red law, then calculate for the X. Okay, this is for the X. You get this one, then you just rearrange. This is negative RA because the POA kan A to B. The negative red law is negative RKCA. Just put here. Then you can get this one. CA equals C1 minus X. Then you group, rearrange the X to the left hand side. And then you get this one. Then you can calculate for the X. Okay. Simple one. Okay, to derive the CSCR design equation, you have to get the Y here. How to get the V equal F X negative RA. Then this one is also home problem type 2, problem that require intermediate calculation and or manipulation. Quite more difficult. A to B, this is given. What is the V and K? What is the K constant? Red law given, activation energy given. So calculate for the V and also K. The X is given 0.75. Please remember, this is not the direct one. This is intermediate, need intermediate calculation or manipulation. So this is for the CSTR. Then they give you the what is the conversion in a PFR at 325K with the same volume with the CSTR. Okay, you can see they relate the CSTR with the second one, the PFR. Okay, but for the CSTR, they want you to calculate for the V and K, but for the PFR, they want you to calculate for the K2 and also X. So how to calculate this one? No other equation that you can use to calculate for the second K other than Arrhenius equation. So just use the Arrhenius equation. Okay, this is the V for the CSTR. You can get our next step is to group our unknowns on one side of the equation and solve of their product. Okay, like this. Okay, you can see they use the unknown is as a VK. Okay, KV. So this one is the right hand side. You can calculate the KV, K1V as a 30. Then this is for the second one. You want to calculate for the K2 for the PFR, right? This one. So this is the K2V. So you have K2V equal 3.3 and then you got the K1V equal 30. Okay. So you can use this one in the next calculation. We look to our PFR design. This is the Mobius equation for the PFR. Okay. How to get this one and this equation, you can study from this. Okay. Then this is the Mobius equation for the PFR. Then you integrate, you can get like this. And finally, you can get the X. Because you know about the K2V equal 3.3, right? This is given, then you can calculate X for the K2 is 0.72. Okay, they want to calculate for this one. This one. Okay, the XPFR is 0.3 0.72. Okay, that's all the for the that's question. You can see various type of question. This is the simple one. Over specified. Type 3. They want to calculate what is the conversion. Okay. They give you A to B, is all given. The feed is 70% mole of A, but mixed with the 20 moles of inert. So how to calculate this one? So this is the K, this is the V, this is the T. The first order activation energy is given, and then arsenic equation also given. The A1. What is the conversion? So this is for the PFR. Use this one. You can calculate for the X, this one. Here you can get X equal 0.77. Okay? That's all the example. You can read again from our notes. Okay, this is another algorithm for isothermal reactor design. This is the gas phase reaction to A to B. Then all is given. Apply the algorithm to the above reaction occurring in batch CSCR and PFR. Okay, what happened if this question or if reaction go for different reactor? Okay, so become like this. The balance for the batch CSCR and PFR. Okay, you can get this one. Red law is like this. Red law is same. Stoichiometry, constant volume. No need to consider about the T and P. You can get this one. Okay, this is just example or summary from this question. Okay. So you can calculate for the batch is T, for the CSCR is V, for the PFR is V. Okay. When you integrate, you get this one. So when you evaluate, you get this one. Okay, lastly, for the X equals 0.9, you can get the V. You can see still the PF1 is less than the CSTR. So if you want to choose, please choose the PF1 for the same conversion. This is the time for the batch. This is the, you can see the time for the PFR also shorter than the CSTR. Okay. Ni ada lagi ke tidur ni semua ni? Dengar tak?
Tengah
Dengar doktor.
Okay. Okay. Okay, this is another example. Designing a PFR for reversible reaction. Okay. To determine the conversion X or V reactor volume for reversible reaction, one must first calculate the maximum conversion. Maximum conversion is Xe, X at equilibrium. That can be achieved at the isothermal reaction temperature, which is, we call it the equilibrium conversion or Xe. Okay. Ni, see example in textbook ni for additional combination of equilibrium Xe in isothermal reactor design. Where you can get the Xe, you can get the Xe from the appendix. Actually, where you can get this one is from the reaction AA plus BB to CC plus DD. You can remember, still can remember the stoichiometric for the stoichiometric coefficient for the A plus B to C plus D. The stoichiometric coefficient is the small letter for the A, B, C, and D. Then, if the A plus B to C plus D is the reversible reaction, you can write the red law is what? The red law. Actually, the red law is negative RA equal K bracket A power of A B times B power of B minus C power of C, D power of D over KCA. Okay. So in the bracket KCA, when the equilibrium is when they achieve the equilibrium, in the bracket become 0. That's why you can get this one. This the in the bracket. Okay. Where this come from is from the general equation, chemical equation A plus B to C plus D. Okay. I think you got it there. This is determine Xe for a batch system which constant volume. We not. This is a reversible reaction. We want you to calculate of the Xe. So how to calculate the Xe? Come like this. Okay. Same method. Then you can get the Xe is 0.85. Okay. This is determine Xe for PFR. No pressure drop. This is for PFR. That one is for the CSTR kan ni. Then you can get the PFR is higher. Okay, this is just remember like your previous friend now explain in the class, but like this, right? Be careful whether the question want you to use the Xe or the X, overall X. Okay, this is just for the Xe 0.989, but for the overall you have to multiple the overall conversion. You have to multiple lah 0.8 dengan Xe, so you can get the reduced one. Okay. This is non-constant volume reactor. Also, you can read, I think. You use the, if non-constant volume system, you have to use the polymer. Polymer will become like this. I think when you get the back from your senior, you can get this one lah. Okay. This is for, but this is for the polymer. Okay. What the polymer do for you? The polymer can calculate the V at any conversion become like this. Okay. You just put this one in your polymer. Polymer, there is a CD. You can CD, especially at the back of your textbook. If the new one, you can get the polymer in CD. Then you can install in your computer. Okay, that's all is for the two objectives already finished, already achieved for the chapter 4. Then the last objective is about the pressure drop. Okay, what happens if there is a pressure drop in the system? Okay, pressure drop does not pressure drop does not affect liquid phase reaction. Why? Hello. Why the pressure drop just for the gas reaction?
Maybe because the liquid is almost incompressible.
Okay, the molecule is too near, so cannot compress. So no need to consider about the pressure drop in the liquid phase reaction. Okay, so this is the about the pressure drop. Analyze the following example. Analyze the following second order gas phase reaction that occurs isothermal in a PBR. Okay, Mortarian because of the PBR, Mortarian equation, it become like this. Second order reaction, A to B, so become like this. Stoichiometry, isothermal, so no need to consider about the T. But now, because of the pressure drop, we study about the pressure drop, we have to consider about the P. So the last stoichiometry is become like this. Okay. So when you combine in this one, you can get this one negative R kan kat sini kan. Sini negative R. You put this one. So CA is the CA from here. Then you put here. Then you can get this one, the last one. Need to find P over P naught as a function of W or V if you have a PFR. Okay. This is about the pressure drop. This one from where? From this one. Okay. Okay. Pressure drop actually from where? Pressure drop in packet bed reactors. Okay. There is an equation. What we call it, a gun equation. A gun equation is like this. You have the laminar and turbulent flow. Okay. Just you see and then apa? Just see this apa? Just see this slide. Okay. So you have a gun equation like this. This is for the laminar and turbulent. This is P for the pressure. For the Z is what? Z is I think the length of this one, the reactor. Okay, this is the PBR. You can see the W packet bed reactor. Okay, the Z is the length of the reactor. G is what? Adalah G. Then rho G dp ni diameter. Okay. So I think is it the first time you see this kind of equation?
Yes, doctor.
Yes. Okay. Never mind. Okay. Then you just to remember this is variable density. You can get this rho equal rho naught P over P naught, T naught over T, F T naught over T naught. Oh, this one become like this. Rho over rho naught is become like this. And then you put the rho, this one in here. Okay, so you can get this equation become like this. Become the complicated one. Okay, you can see they replace the rho here with this one, and then this equation become like this. Okay, so you have the rho naught here. This still same, but you have this one at the end. Okay, but to simplify this equation, they give the name as beta naught for the all this one. Until this one. So this equation, when you put the beta naught, it become like this. You can see they simplify the equation. So now you have dp over dz equal negative beta naught, this one. Okay, and then this is about the pressure drop. And then this is how you get this one. This one come from where? You can come from this one. I think you have studied about this one. Conversion of mass, variable density mass. Come like this, rho naught. Just perkadaran ni. You see, rho v equal rho naught v naught. Okay, and then you put this one, and then you can get this one. Okay, continue. From the okay, this is the last equation, the simplified one, this one. Okay, this is the packet bed reactor. If you can imagine, this is a packet bed reactor. So you know how to calculate the volume for this cylinder. The volume is equal the W, right? The weight. The weight is the area of here times the length. That's why Z is the length, the area is this one. Okay. AC rho B. Rho B is what? Bulky density. You have to calculate. You have to multiple. And then A is apa? Luas keratan rentas. What is luas keratan rentas in English? This one, the area of the sphere here. So the W become like this. Okay. So this is W become like this. This is the Z, still the Z. So when you want to replace the Z with the W, you have to put like this. So this now you have this equation become like this. So to simplify again, to simplify this equation, they let this one become alpha. Okay, tick become alpha. So you can get the dp over dw equal this one. So if you grouping this one, if you group the one P and P naught, you can get you can rearrange this equation become like this. Can you accept that one? I think can, because this is P naught, this is P naught. Okay, then you can get this one same, this one same, this one same. Okay. Rho B is part density, rho C solid density, ni apa ni, P is porosity. Okay. So the last equation now, you have this one. Usually P equal P naught, they call it as a Y. Okay. So you can put this is as a dy over dw equal the blah 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 blah. This is Y. T and F. It's here. You can see this is the last one. We will use this form for multiple reaction. You can see. So what I can say in the test and in the exam, you just can calculate the pressure drop, apa, the whatever V ke, volume or X or whatever for the system that has a pressure drop. You just can calculate when the epsilon become zero. The epsilon becomes zero. Other than that, you cannot calculate. You have to use the polymath. So in the exam and test, if you they want you to solve the problem about the pressure drop, at that time the epsilon must be zero. You can get like this one, see. A to B epsilon 0. If not 0, then you cannot calculate. You have to use the polymath, okay? So this is an example, PFR equal KC naught, and then this is what you get from this one. This one, okay? This is the last equation. This is if you wait. This is the Ft over Ft naught in term of F, in term of flow rate. But this is in term of 1 plus epsilon x, okay? Then you get the isothermal operation become like this, okay? So just use this one. No need to derive. If they do not ask you to derive, just use this one. How to get this one, okay? Can see later. Okay. Okay, just use this one, okay? For example, negative RA equal KCA power 2. So if T equal T naught and epsilon is 0, just epsilon is 0, so this one become like this. Can you accept that one? Ni 0, jadi hilang ni. Just you have this one, alpha over 2y. Okay, when you differentiate, you can get the y equal bracket 1 minus alpha w power of half, power of 0.5. Square lah ni, square root for y equal square root for 1 minus alpha w. Can you accept that one? So in your test or in your exam, you can just calculate for this one. So at the time epsilon must be 0, and then the pressure drop is equal this one. What is pressure drop, right? P over P naught. Okay, become like this. So for example, if the CA is equal CA naught 1 minus X Y P over P naught, so just put the Y here, become like this, and then combine with this one. This is the example for the KCA power of 2. So this is all power of 2. Okay, all power of 2. You can get the CA naught power of 2, 1 minus X power of 2, but this is half, so just 1. Okay, 1 over 2 multiple 2 kan, dia jadi 1. So you can get this one for this is for the PFR. So the PFR modular equation become like this. Okay, faham tak ni? And then you can solve the question. This is by grouping. If you shift or if you move the X here, and then other constant is the right hand side, you can get like this. Okay, you can see, and then you can solve for X if the W is given, or you can solve the W if the X is given. Okay, faham tak? Okay, that's all for the, I think, for the chapter 4. The for spherical rectors, we do not study for the spherical rectors in CRE. But if you, I think next sem, you will study about the design project, right? Design project usually they also use the spherical rectors, so you can refer to your textbook or this one if you want to study about the spherical rectors. Okay, usually the industry, they will use for the, especially for the gas storage, they will use the spherical rectors to reduce the to get the optimum pressure tu kan. They will use the spherical rectors. So you can search this one from your CRE textbook. Okay, we do not study about this one. Okay, another one semi-batch rector. For the chapter 4, the semi-batch, you just remember, not so difficult. Semi-batch, what is semi-batch? Semi-batch is like this. Okay, this one you see, this is a batch rector, right? Batch rector. What is the batch rector? Batch rector is, for example, the A to B. So the A is put inside the batch rector from the beginning, okay, until the end. Until the A, for example, if A to B, until all the A convert to B, or A to C until the A convert all to C. That is batch rector. But what is semi-batch? Semi-batch is when one of another chemical or another reactant is put in the dropwise to the batch reactor. That we call it as a semi-batch reactor. So like this, B is dropwise. titik by titik drop into the A, slowly the reaction will occur to produce the product. Why they do not put at one time? When they put at one time, for example, A plus B, they become a batch reactor. They do not put at one time because they want the reaction occur slowly. That's why they put dropwise. That is a semi-batch reactor. You just know that is the semi-batch reactor about that. Okay. This is also will not apa we will not cover about that one. This is all the apa nama dia polymers. But the polymers I don't know. This is the example Take note You have to search for the apa nama dia question kan. So take note this is we have 1, 2 as usual. 2 from the chapter 4 from your slide. So that's all for the for this for today for your chapter 4. If I can repeat the objective, you have what you study from chapter 4. You just study like a summary from chapter 1 to 3 about the algorithm. How to solve the problems, whether you have to calculate for the V or for the T or for the X or whatever. So you just follow the algorithm from the Morgan equation, that law, stoichiometry, and then you evaluate. Okay, and then you can size the reactor. Depends on the reactor lah. This one, and then the pressure drop. When the pressure drop occur. Okay, pressure drop is Y. Y equal P over P naught. Okay. When they ask you about the last pressure, you can put as a P. But when they ask you about the pressure drop, you have to calculate P over P naught, something like that. Okay. Any question? This is that. That's all for chapter 4. Any question? Are you still there? Tak mengantuk ke korang?
Still here, doctor.
Okay. No question?
Doctor,
Hmm.
I want to ask the fee, the porosity, it be given or we need to calculate?
Oh, the porosity, where the porosity? The Egan equation kan? Usually, they will not ask you about that one. But still, they can ask you because I think in chapter 1 ke chapter bila one lecturer can ask about that one. Mana dia? Can ask. But don't worry about that one because if you mana tadi if they want you to calculate that one, they will give you another variables. Faham tak? Dia kan equation tadi. Ni ke? This one kan?
Yes, doctor.
You worry about this one. Okay. Still, they can ask you about this one because this is what the scope within this scope. Apa kan? You have studied within this scope. But don't worry if you they want you calculate this one, they will give other variable, so you still can calculate for that one. But usually they just focus for this one, okay? This equation because this is become y. This one when you simplify, it become this one. The most important one for the pressure drop is this one. Okay. You just this one is alpha. Alpha, sometimes they ask you to calculate for the alpha, but not this one. Just calculate for the this one, group one. Okay, this is a pressure drop. Just remember, you can just calculate when the epsilon equal 0. Okay, I use this one, calculate for the pressure drop. Okay, this one the equation are coupled ordinary differential equation. You can solve them simultaneously using ODE polymer, but in your test and or exam you cannot use the polymer, right? For the special case only, the of isothermal operation, and where the epsilon equals 0, then we can calculate by analytical solution. That's why for me, if the epsilon equals 0 only, you can calculate for the pressure drop. Okay, another question. You have to remember this one. This is P over P naught. Then root for the 1 minus alpha W. Okay. Sometimes they will ask you to calculate for the alpha, this one. Sometimes for the W, sometimes for the P over P naught, the Y. Depends. Okay. Any more question? Tak ada. tujuh, siapa lah yang ponteng ni? Lagak betul ponteng-ponteng. Siapa yang ponteng ni? Aina ada. Azra ada. Ada. Ini Azri. Azri. Ada. Azrina. Ada. Ciu. Ada. Chong.
Ada doktor.
Okay. Cari. Chong ada. Ryan. Ryan tak ada ke? Korang tidur ke? Ryan ada. Go memang ada di awal dah. Ho ada.
Ya, doktor.
Lepas tu Huzaimah nampak pergi tadi. Ada Jessica.
Ada.
Jonathan.
Ada doktor.
Ada. Karisma. Karisma datang tak? Karisma yang tak ada. Karisma tak ada Kavinesh ada. Ada rajin ni. Lim ada. Faisal. Where is Faisal? Faisal tak ada. Tak bangun ke? Dia orang ni ke? Tempat sana malam ke? Lepas tu Arif ada. Iqmal.
Ada doktor.
Okay. Najlah.
Ada, doktor.
Okay. Izzatul. Anom.
Ada, doktor.
Ada. Syikin.
Ada, doktor.
Husna.
Ada.
Ani ada. Lepas tu Syamila tadi ada. Dia pagi dia datang. Amira pun ada kan? Amira tak ada ke ni?
Ada, doktor.
Ada. Rina.
Ada,
Dah
doktor.
popen ni Rina ni. Lepas tu tak masuk e-learning. Ain ada? Ada.
Ada doktor.
Fatin Nabil ada. Azika ada.
Ada, doktor.
Ikan.
Ada, doktor.
Nadia Husna.
Ada doktor.
Christina,
Ada doktor.
Syahira.
Ada
Syahira
doktor.
ada.
Saya.
Camelia.
Ada doktor.
Ada. Fatina.
Ada doktor.
Uzfira.
Ada doktor.
Alice.
Ada doktor.
Zahira.
Ada
Kan
doktor.
Lepas tu Patrick. Patrick ada? Ada.
Ada doktor.
Sanjay ada. Afra.
Ada doktor.
Aisyah ada. Sarah ada. Yahui. Ada. Wang
Ada doktor.
ada. Abdullah. Is Abdullah here? Tak bangun sebab semalam kat sana malam. No, Abdullah Dan Abdullah tak ada. So korang ada test Amrin ada? Ada korang ada test ke? Hari ni? Ibrahim pun tak ada. Diorang ingat tak ada kelas budak ni kat sini bukannya kat luar. Sadia mana Sadia? Oh kau ikut ni. Sadia dah habis belum ni? Sadia ikut dia punya pidato. Tanwir ada? Where your friend Tanwir? Nisa ada?
Ada doktor.
Tanwir, where your friend Tanwir? Dengar. Where is Tanwir? Ni Tanwir ada nama dia. Tapi orang dia tak ada. You cannot ni You have. Tahu lah aku. Tangan. Kenapa korang e-learning tak boleh masuk untuk test. Lain kali next test I don't know next test and also final. Please upload the question, the answer 10 minutes before before your time, the end time. Yeah, I don't know this time maybe they can allow you when you send by WhatsApp. But next time I don't know. If Dr. Hajar say no, I just follow. Okay, you will get 0 if you do not put in your e-learning. Can you understand?
Yes, doctor.
So be careful because about half of you cannot upload. Is it true or you just you have no time and then you cannot upload by that time? Okay, be careful for the next test and also for the final exam. So if your internet in your house is so slow, in your kampung, in your taman, so please come back to UTM, okay? I think now you can face to face, right? In UTM, you can come back to UTM, get the permission, go for the procedure to come back for the to UTM. Saya tak tahu next time Dr. Hajar marah. Sebab hari tu dia dah marah, dia kata kena finalize. Kalau siapa tak masuk dalam e-learning. Okay? That's why maybe still they can maafkan awak. Tapi second time for the test 2 and final exam, I don't know. I just follow what coordinator said. Okay? So be careful for the next one. Okay? Follow the rule. That's why we have the e-learning, right? Dengar tak semua ni? Korang buat kepala korang je.
Dengar
Dengar,
Orang lain
doktor.
kelas orang lain,
Doktor.
orang lain kelas orang lain semua boleh hantar e-learning. Kenapa korang tak hantar? Kalau dia ketatkan, I just follow the rule. Okay? Be careful. Okay? Hari tu yang hantar ada, yang tak ada zero. Okay? Saya takkan minta lagi jawapan. Kalau tak ada lah zero. Okay. And if you have no question for apa tu chapter 4, you can leave now. Can you get for 1 hour can you get the question for chapter 4 in this coming Wednesday for 1 hour kelas kita? Is it too? You can get the question for chapter 4 for Wednesday? Don't know when your test tu Boleh dapat soalan tak untuk Wednesday? Untuk 1 jamnya. Berapa 1 jam about 4 or 5 question. Can you get it? Tak ni can doktor? Oh can. Okay can. Okay. So we we meet again on Wednesday. Okay. Test tu korang bila? Test tu is on January. Okay. January 5. 5th. 5th. Okay. Can get 4 or 5 question. Good question, okay, for the chapter 4, especially for the pressure drop. Okay, and then for the not for the direct give the difficult one. Search for the difficult one, not the direct one. Okay, the direct one all of you can answer. So just wasting our time. So get if you can get the difficult one, the example. Okay. The close ended ke, not the open ended. Okay. Bye bye.
Thank you, Doctor. Thank